In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Yahoo Mail Mobile. Go ahead and unlock your phone, then look for the Yahoo Mail app icon on your home screen or in your app list. It has the familiar Yahoo logo, usually on a blue or purple background. Tap it once to open it and wait a moment for your inbox to load. When you see your list of messages, you know the app is fully open and ready. Now that the app is open, look toward the very top left corner of the screen. Tap your profile icon there. Depending on your setup, this might show your initials, a small avatar image, or a generic user outline. When you tap it, a side panel will slide in from the left. You should now see account-related options filling most of the screen instead of your usual inbox. From there, we want to move into the app settings. Look down the slide-out menu for the word Settings. It is usually near options like Manage Accounts or Themes. Tap Settings once. When you do, the screen will switch to a long list of options grouped into sections. You are now in the main settings area where Yahoo keeps all the app preferences. Next up, scroll down through this settings list until you reach the General section. Take your time so you do not skip past it. Under General, look for an item labeled Signature or sometimes Signatures, depending on your app version. Tap on Signature. As soon as you tap, a new screen opens, focused only on how your email signature behaves for this account. At this point, you will see a signature switch near the top of the screen. By default, it may be turned off, which means no signature is being added to your messages. Tap the switch once to toggle it to the on position. When it turns purple or blue, the feature is active. The text area below will now be ready for you to edit, and the app will start attaching whatever you type here to new emails. With the switch on, tap the text input field directly underneath your username or email address. This is where your signature content lives. A keyboard will appear at the bottom of the screen. Type out or paste your custom text signature block, such as your name, job title, and maybe a simple contact line. If you make a typo, you can correct it right here, and Yahoo will use the corrected version on every future message. After that, you can lock in your changes. Tap the back arrow in the top left corner, or tap Done if you see that instead. The app saves your layout changes automatically. There is no separate save button. You will be taken back to your inbox, and from now on, your new signature will appear at the bottom of emails you compose. You have just set up a custom email signature in Yahoo Mail Mobile, so if this helped you get your messages looking more professional, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick how-tos.